Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aminatul Sabira binti Zahari and my matric number is 180133. Okay, today is my duty to upload a video which is the video 3 if I'm not mistaken. And this is my individual reflection about our interests. Okay, first of all, I want to talk about where is our next destination. We choose food court at the MICE. Why we choose there? Because it is affordable and provide many menus such as laksa, sizzling, claypot, nasi belau, chicken chop, lamb chop, and others. And also we choose there because it's near with UPM and easy for us to go there without any using our which is can save our budget and our time. Okay, then we proceed to the food. We choose sizzling, laksa Penang, nasi belau, and nasi putih with the lauk is cooked ala version of Thai. Okay, first of all, I and Shakila choose to buy sizzling. Shakila choose set 1, which is provide with this is yummy with the chicken and the mushroom and also egg. While me also same with Shakila but with the egg. Okay, the price is also is so affordable because it price only RM4.50 and we can buy it. Then Shahira buy the laksa Penang at Utara Johor. The laksa Penang is very tasty, delicious, superb, but it quite spicy. As we know, the laksa Penang should be more spicy because laksa Penang is the identity of laksa Penang is actually spicy. But if we eat less spicy, it can not delicious as much lah. Then we choose to take air, juice orange and Farah buy it. And the orange juice is very juicy and not sweet at all, and so we can drink it more and more if enough to us to drink just a glass of juice. Okay, then the price also affordable and the place also calm, peaceful because they provide many tables, chair, and the spoon, the two are very many, so we can choose any place we want to sit and enjoy our meal. So it's quite interesting if we can go there next time. So this is all about my individual reflection, and I will make sure you all wait for my next destination. Bye. Thank you.